Hello, my name is Alex Brower. I'm with TrueDoor Property Management, and today I'm at 510 Glenneyre, unit number 7. Super cute little complex, just a block from downtown Laguna and the beach. So 1 bedroom, 1 bath, about 500 square feet. It's very open, lots of natural lighting. This is our living space. It flows right into the kitchen. Cute little kitchen. And a little hall closet right here for storage. And then we open into the bedroom. And then into the bathroom, single vanity sink, mirrored closet doors. We have a walk-in shower. And toilet. If you are interested in this condo, please visit our website at www.truedoorpm.com. Go to our rental search, type in 510 Glenneyre, Unit 7, and I'd love to help you get into this property. Have a good day. Thank you.